Lulu here. Welcome to part 3 of our series 40 New Apartment Design Ideas, Elegance in Simplicity. If you've been following along, you know we are all about maximizing style in minimal spaces. Today we are diving even deeper into the world of sleek, simple living spaces that make a big impact. In this episode, we are showcasing real-life examples of apartments that embody our philosophy of less is more. From innovative storage solutions to dual-purpose furniture, we'll show you how to live large no matter the size of your pad. So grab a notebook and get ready to be inspired. These ideas aren't just about following trends. They're about creating a home that reflects your personality and lifestyle. Let's make your dream space a reality. We continue to explore the art of creating a beautiful and functional living space with minimal elements. Discover innovative ways to bring harmony and elegance into your apartment, making every square inch count. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future design tips and tricks. Let's get started. Looking for more inspiration? Check out the previously uploaded 2 parts. Let's start with this design idea, a modern and spacious open living area that is well lit and features contemporary design elements. The focal point is a large flat screen TV mounted on the wall above a sleek console which is adorned with a vase and decorative items. A comfortable brown sectional sofa anchors the space paired with a coffee table that displays books and decorative pieces. An eye-catching black frame glass partition separates this area from another room, which is visible through the partition and adds a touch of greenery with plants. On the right, there is an additional sitting arrangement with modern chairs and a table under stylish lighting fixtures, all resting on elegant herringbone pattern wooden flooring. The overall aesthetic is one of laid-back elegance, combining functionality with design to create a welcoming atmosphere. Step now into a modern open living space that is well lit and elegantly furnished. It features a comfortable beige sofa and a chic pink armchair in the sitting area, complemented by a round black coffee table on a light gray rug. An abstract painting adds a splash of color above the sofa, and the wooden slideboard with a flat screen TV enhances the decor. The dining area includes a wooden table with 6 gray chairs under stylish pendant lights, and large sliding glass doors flood the room with a natural light and provide a view of the outdoors. The polished light wooden floor adds a warm and inviting feel to the overall design of the space. Welcome to a contemporary modern apartment with a modern open concept living area, which has a panoramic sea view. It's designed with a vibrant color scheme, including an orange kitchen counter and yellow dining chairs. The dining area is highlighted by a glass-top table and an elegant pendant light, while the sitting area has orange lounge chairs and a white coffee table with glass top on a textured rug. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to flood the space, enhancing the gray concrete flooring and the outdoor greenery visible outside on the balcony terrace. The overall atmosphere is one of modern elegance and comfort, with a stunning backdrop provided by nature. As we continue our exploration of contemporary modern apartments, let's immerse ourselves in a space that exudes brightness and airiness. The image presents a large apartment with modern open space that combines a living area with a dining space, all under ample natural light. It features contemporary white chairs, a plush sofa with cushions near a window, and a dining area with a long table and chairs adjacent to a kitchen counter. The decor includes round wall art, potted plants, and stylish lighting, creating an atmosphere of modern elegance and comfort. The light colors, wooden flooring adds warmth to the overall design. This unit features a modern and bright living area that seamlessly integrates a sitting zone, dining space, and a kitchen. It's furnished with an L-shaped white sofa, accented with black and pink cushions, a marble-top coffee table, and a fluffy white rug. The dining area includes a wooden table with pink chairs under pendant lights, and the kitchen boasts brown cabinets and white countertops. Large windows invite natural light, highlighting the brown flooring and green potted plants, which add a natural element to the space. Glass doors at the back lead to an outdoor garden visible through sheer curtains, complementing the open and airy feel of the room. This image displays a modern open living space that is well lit and features contemporary furnishing. It includes a sitting area with a large white sectional sofa adorned with throw pillows, a coffee table with a glass top, and a plush area rug. A sleek black shelving unit and a unique circular mirror enhance the decor. The dining space in the background has white chairs around a dark table under modern pendant lights, and the adjacent kitchen boasts wooden cabinetry and marble countertops. Large windows allow natural light to fill the room, creating an airy and inviting atmosphere. And that's wrap up part 3 of 40 new apartment design ideas, elegance in simplicity. We hope you are as inspired as we are to transform your space into a minimalist masterpiece. Remember, simplicity isn't about having less. It's about making room for more of what matters. If you enjoyed this video and found our tips useful, please give us a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Your input helps us create content that you love. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. We have plenty more design secrets to share and we can wait for you to see what's next. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video where we'll explore even more innovative design ideas to elevate your living space. Until then, keep it simple, keep it stylish. Bye bye and happy decorating.